Good day, everyone. Today, we will introduce one of the traditional Filipino games called Jackstones. Jackstones has been played by Filipino children for many generations and is considered part of the country's traditional larong lahi. In the past, children commonly played this game outdoors using small stones, metal jacks, or improvised material for fun and social interaction. Today, Jackstones continues to be enjoyed because it's developed hand-eye coordination, focus, reflexes, and fine motor skills. It is also suitable for path-fit students. Before starting the game, prepare a flat and clean playing surface, either indoors or outdoors. Each player needs 5 jacks and 1 small rubber ball. Players may sit down comfortably on the ground or at a table. The order of the play can be decided through a quick toss or mutual agreement. Since this activity is integrated with PathFit, players should first perform finger stretches and wrist rotations to prevent strain and prepare the muscles. To begin the game, the first player tosses all 5 jacks onto the surface. The player then throws the ball upward and quickly picks up 1 jack before catching the ball. This is called 1Cs or level 1. Level 2 is called 2Cs, where the player picks up 2 jacks at once. Level 3 is called 3Cs, where 3 jacks are picked up before catching the ball. The player continues until all 5 jacks are picked up in one toss. Player fails to catch the ball or picks up the wrong number of jacks. The turn passes to the next player. Jackstones improves concentration, coordination, reflexes, and fine motor skills. After each round, players may perform eye relaxation exercises and light stretching to maintain good posture and reduce fatigue. The winner is the player who successfully completes all levels from 1Cs to 5Cs first. If there is a time limit, the player who reaches the highest level within the given time is declared the winner. To ensure safety while playing, remember these precautions. Keep the playing area clean and free from obstacles. Sit properly to avoid back strain. Take breaks to prevent hand fatigue. Stay hydrated and avoid throwing the ball too high to prevent accidents. Jackstones is more than just a traditional Filipino game. It promotes physical coordination, mental focus, and social interaction while preserving Filipino culture and heritage. Thank you for watching, and we hope you continue supporting Filipino larong lahi.